Hey guys, it's Josh with RoadWorks Manufacturing. I want to show you one of my personal favorite parts to do, and I think you will agree, our custom grills always add that finishing touch to any build. We're looking at the Young Energy Services grill that we just built for these guys. Beautiful 379 Pete, good looking truck. We added the Texas shape of the state and his company logo in a 3D pattern right here. RoadWorks is known for our grill fitment, our quality, and our selection. We literally make grills for hundreds of different truck models. We can do a custom pattern, or we can use any of our stock standard punches and add your logo. We can do center logo, bottom corner, we can even add designs and shapes. This is something that every show truck needs to make a statement on the front end. As you see on the unwound truck, our 2022 show truck build, you can also add bars, change punch patterns, and add backlighting to our custom grills. The coolest thing about RoadWorks custom grills nowadays, you get them in 4 weeks. That's right, go see your favorite chrome shop and tell them you want a RoadWorks custom grill and you want it fast. They can do that now. Or go see us at roadworkscustom.com. Submit your artwork, your design, and your idea. We'll get back to you with a drawing really fast.